via Twitch, but I'll be sending it over to YouTube. So, like everybody else, if you like the video, hit the like buttons, the heart buttons, the tip buttons. Would be great. Um, Follow me if you can. I'm going to be doing a series of these videos on how to use certain indicators just to simply trade crypto. This is the way I do it. There's a bunch of different ways to trade crypto. So uh, take them all, practice, practice, practice. Nothing I say is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but there is ways to make money trading crypto. Is the same way that people trade stocks. They day trade, swing trade, stuff like that. But this is one of the simplest ways that you can get into trading, um, and it's just using the Bollinger Bands. Bollinger Bands here are these two greenish colored lines with a center line, the red one down the middle, and you get to them on TradingView with the indicators. I've got them highlighted as one of my favorites. So you just search Bollinger Bands, come up, turn it on, it's right here. And we're going to look at Atom uh, to do this video. This is live as we're going, it's working its way up. But the Bollinger Bands, if you notice, it goes in between the Bollinger Bands. It kind of bounces off the top, come back down, top, down to the bottom, down to the bottom. And right now, cryptocurrency in general is in an uptrend, or starting a bull market, whatever you want to call it. So you'll notice that on the way up it's really long, and then it has sharp drops. Long, sharp drop, long, sharp drop. So the way you'll play this is you don't want to get into a trade in here. You're looking for, going down the charts, looking at different charts, looking for something that's had the drop. You want to buy the dips. So in this one, after it comes off the top, and so you looked at it here, you're going to watch it come down, get into it down here somewhere, and ride it up. How far you ride it up, that's up to you. There's other indicators that can tell you maybe how far it'll go, but there's no guarantees. On this hourly chart, let's say you got into one right here in this area, and you just wrote it up just to there, and you saw it breaking down, so you got out. So that was a 4% move. So 4%, $100, $4 on a $100 trade. Do that several times and start talking about real money. And that's basically how people are making money on day trading with crypto. They're just getting into them in and out of trades really quick. This is the hourly chart. You may have to wait a little longer to close your trades out. So what I like to do is go down to the 15-minute so I can get in and out of trades. This is something I'll do when things are kind of slow or I have some money tied up in longer term trades. I'll just go down to the 15-minute chart, do the same thing, and you can see even shorter term, each one of these is 15 minutes. You can start making those $5, $10, $15 trades. Do those 5, 10 times, and you can make a little money each day. So one thing to know about the Bollinger Bands is you'll notice sometimes it comes down, tests the center line, bounces back up. It'll also do it on the way up. It'll come up, test it, come back down. So if you're going to do quick trades, you need to go ahead and be watching the charts and make your decisions in real time. That's the way I like to use the Bollinger Bands. You don't want to sit on a trade too long because, again, on an uptrend, they drop really fast. So if you get into a trade, you saw it hit the bottom of the Bollinger Band, sit there and watch it. When you get 5, 6, 7%, you're happy with your profit, take it. Don't worry if it goes higher. That's just leaving money on the table, but you made money. So you never want to second guess your trades. Have a plan. If you like 5% or you're trying to get a little more, you see that the majority of the runs have been 6%, 5%, 7%. See, each one of these 5 to 7%. So when you see them doing a series like this, get into a trade, expect to get out about 5%, and then move on to the next trade. Wait for it to come back down. Get your 5%. If it jumps to 10, like right here, you may have thought it was going to come down further, so you didn't get in right here, and then all of a sudden it jumps. Oh well, just wait for the next drop. Don't panic buy on the way up. It may just turn around and wreck you anyway. So always try to buy at a dip at least. If you bought here and it dipped again, just hang on. You know it's on an uptrend. So even if you get into something here and it drops a little further, just wait. Don't panic. It's the market is, or that coin at the time is in an uptrend. So if you're getting 5, 6, 7%, you just want to try not to. If you start losing more than 2, 3, maybe 4%, that's when you might consider going and getting out, cutting your losses, and just wait for the next trade. Remember, anything you do in trading is about 60 to 70% accurate, no matter what strategy you use. So you're going to have some losses. You got to be ready for that. So right now is a good time to be trading crypto because we are starting the bull run. But you want to limit how much you're putting into the market on any given trade. You want to start off really small, $10, $20 trades, make your $1, $2 on these little trades like this, and learn how the market's moving. Learn how to do this and do it for a while. Don't just jump in with $1,000 and expect to make 10,000. 9 out of 10 people ain't gonna do it. But again, this is a very simple way to start learning how to trade. I would say practice. Write down. Let's say you decide you're going to buy right here. Write down you put $10, $20 on a trade at that price. Wait it out. Pick your sell target. You sell. See what you would have made. Do paper trading first. Then put a few dollars into it and see what it does. When you're doing these smaller trades, you got to remember about slippage and fees. So if your exchange charges fees, you thought you were going to make $3, you end up only making $2. Well, it's still a profit. And start building it from there. I like starting new exchanges with $100, $150. You see how far I can run it. And I'm doing one right now on Webull with actual stocks, and I'm in a 4x territory now, just doing these small, quick trades like this. A little longer time frame, but doing very similar ideas as this. So hopefully you found this one a little informative. A very short video because it is something very simple, and I'll be adding more videos so you can add. All these can be compounded together. This is just kind of a beginning video of the simplest way to trade without getting too in depth into all these different things you can do with the charts. If I was going to add anything just to this simple one, would be the RSI and the MACD. You can also search those in the indicators up here. And basically what you're looking for, let's say you're looking for something that's coming down. If these are both down and you've got a nice long sharp dip, that'd be an excellent time to get into a buy. The longer the dip, the farther it has to rise if it's in an uptrend. So when these hit the bottom, that's a good signal to buy. When they're at the top, that's a good signal to sell. So these all kind of work together. Very simple. You don't have to don't have to be drawing. You don't have to use any other tools. Just leave these open. Look for those indicators. Bottom, bottom, top, top, on an uptrend, knowing that on the way up it's going to take longer, more candles to get up there, but then they have sharp drops. So hope you liked this short, quick video. They're going to get better, just starting on the video side. But if you liked it, hit the like button, and I appreciate it. And y'all have a good Thanksgiving, which is tomorrow. And I'm going to be putting some of these out tonight. So talk to y'all later.